Hey everybody, welcome back. So, as I was willing, I ended up breaking this piece, which is shown on the video. And this goes directly into your heater core. Let's see if I can get it down in there. So right here, this side broke off. And what I ended up doing was taking this piece, ripping it all the way off. Then that allowed me to slide this hose all the way on, and I clamped it and ended up getting me by. So that's what it should look like with the adapter on it. So what we'll be showing you today is how to replace this with just some pliers. It's actually pretty simple, so do not pay anybody to do it. So let me get this set up so you guys can see what I'm doing. All right, so this will give you a decent shot. And this is actually cooled down, but what I'll do is take off the radiator cap, so that way there's no pressure, shouldn't be any pressure with it cooled down. And then take off this clamp, slide it back,
and take it in.
All right, you'll get just a little bit coming out, which is no big deal. And this is the new one.
Yeah, I got it.
So what we need to do is just slide this on as a hole, and it should slide on if they gave me the right one, which I hope they did.
What's inside?
And it doesn't look like they did.
And you're watching, and you got...
Yeah, I don't think they gave me the right one.
The video's still broken.
Yeah, because it should only go to right here.
Oh, hey, what's up, guys? And you got our Miss Suburban, and because, yeah, you got an engine right here, and I don't know. You go. Can you give me a break? I can fix this. And you watching and some on video, and you guys joining this light, and then.
All right, that.
And nothing is got a bit clear. Yeah. Okay. Goodbye. Oh, hey guys, what's up? And you guys.
Take off the radiator cap. Too much pressure. Once that's off, you're fine. Had to wait a day, finally got the right part. So, hopefully this one fits on. It should just slide right on. Of course not. See if this inside goes first. So that clipped on. Maybe I'm just doing something wrong. Not sure. Dang. Not wanting to go. I'm taking out all the O-rings, placing them all in there, and let's see if that'll go. Nope. Almost. I think that worked. Well, looks like that worked. Take off all the O-rings, slide them on, and then push it on kind of hard. It's not easy. Just gonna slide that back on. Now that you got the hose on there, you can twist it and make sure the white clips clipped in fully. Put that hose back in that little bracket. And then we'll start it up and see where we're at. Put the radiator cap back on. Okay, so far, no. We got that replaced, and that was like $11 to replace that part. So if you got, like, this has over 300,000 miles on it, sooner or later it was gonna break. So just replace them just randomly. I mean, like, the reason why I say that is I was in Little Moab climbing up a hill and it snapped right on me. So I was lucky there was campers there to help me out with some water. But just whatever you do, may as well replace it. Cheap, inexpensive, and fairly easy. So, all right, guys, remember to subscribe and like this so I can kick this YouTube channel off. So thank you guys for your support.